Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video we are going to fix Helldivers to Gameguard error. Navigate the game folder. Go to your game folders. For example, if you install the game via Steam, it imagines to be located at this path. Delete the Gameguard folder. Open the Win folder. Inside the game folder, delete the Gameguard folder you find there. Run the game as administrator. Right click on the helldivers2.exe file. Click on Run as administrator. Add Gameguard folder to AntiVirus waitlist. Once your Gameguard folder is newly downloaded, add it to your AntiVirus protection waitlist. Now open your AntiVirus and go to the menu setting general exception. Click add extension. Add the entire Gameguard folder to install. Allow list so it doesn't get the change by the AntiVirus. Now restart your PC. I hope your error fixed.